Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you back once again to the Jufos IT services on YouTube. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to become EVD agents. The aim of Jufos IT services is to make sure that all our followers get something doing that can make them to have a good standard of living. So, if this is your first time listening to us, if this is your first time visiting this channel, if this is your first time watching this video on this noble channel, then please kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button for all. Don't also forget to share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from. Alright, so as I said earlier, in today's lesson we are going to learn how to become credit transfer agents. So the only thing that you need to do is to take your pen and your paper and have internet connection with at least 1 CD or 2 CD in your mobile money wallet. Then we proceed. So as I said earlier, it is our aim to make sure that our followers also get something doing, because the world is getting to some level that you need a personal business, you need a private business that you can do to also have some level of standard of living. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's quickly launch our dial pad. In this lesson, we are going to use dial pad. So click on the dial pad here, phone. Some of you, it will appear as call log. So when you click on this one, you dial this code. We are going to use this code. So this, you can buy this and sell to other people at a profitable cost. Alright, so *161 *1 hash. That is the code that we are going to use in this particular lesson. So click on send. When you click on send with a good network, with a stable network, you should see a menu popping up like this. So the first thing that we are going to do is to click on airtime, send airtime. Please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip it, you are going to miss a lot of things. We are going to talk about a lot of things in this video. We have some secrets that we are going to reveal to you in this particular video. So make sure that you watch it from the beginning, you listen from the beginning to the end. Alright, so let's select this option here. Let's select option 5, register retailer. So select option 5 here, click on send. Oh, please let me redo it again, because I wait for some number of minutes before I proceed. That is why it appears like that. So when you are doing it, you don't have to waste much time before you do it. So let's select option 5. You select the option 5, you enter the number that you want to register, the Momo number that you want to register for this particular thing. So let me just enter the number here. So 054062, okay, 528, like this. So you click send. Then you create a new password. So let's say this is my new password. My new password is this. So you confirm your password again. Please, the password that you use for the first time, make sure that you repeat that same password. And the number that you registered on this portal, make sure that you write it down somewhere, or you keep it in mind. Don't forget to keep the password also somewhere, because you are going to use this when you want to log into your portal and do the necessary activities, or you perform the necessary tasks that you want to perform. If you want to buy this airtime, if you want to sell it to somebody, if you want to top up your account, you're going to use the passwords that we are going to use now. So let's confirm. So you click on send. Good. So congratulations, account created. So you click on OK. Now let's dial the code again, *161 *1#. This is the portal that almost majority of the people are using to buy airtime and resell to you. So before we continue, let's go to option 3 and check something there. Option 3. So you check account balance. Now we have registered for this portal, so let's check account balance. Then they will demand for your PIN that you use, the PIN that you created. So the PIN here is incorrect. Alright, well taken, because the number that I used to register for this portal is not in this phone. The number that I used to register for this portal is not in this particular phone. So I already have an account on this phone. I already have an account with a particular SIM card in this phone. So let me quickly log into my account and show you how the thing is going to be. Now you know how to register for this account. So you click on that to send it, then you select option 3. Select option 3, then you check balance. Now I have to enter my PIN. Alright, so I enter my PIN here like this and click on send. So that is my account balance. So you click on OK. Now let's dial the code again. *161 *1#. Alright, so when you read down the code, then let's go to e-credit. Let's go to option 4, which is the e-credit. So you select option 4, then we come to this one here, the option 1, buy e-credit. Now somebody may ask, why or how am I going to top up my account? How am I going to top up my account? So we are here to solve that particular problem. We are here to answer that particular question that somebody may like to ask. So this is what we do. You click on the option 1, you select option 1 to buy e-credit. So you enter recipient retailer number. So the number that you want to buy the e-credit for, you enter that particular number here. So let's select for this number. So if the number that you want to buy for is in the phone, is already in the phone, if you want to buy it for yourself, then you select option 1, which represents this number. If the number is not in your phone, or if the number is not for you want to register for somebody, then select option 2 and click on send. Good. So when you click on send, you enter the amount that you want to recharge, you want to deposit into your e-credit account. So you click on this, you select any amount of your choice. I already have an account. So process complete. You receive an alert to approve payment, or go to your mobile money menu to approve payment. Good. So now the alert is already here. So it means you are going to enter your mobile money PIN code to approve this particular transaction. So let me quickly do that, then we move on. So immediately you enter that PIN, you have to approve transaction. So you click on 1, you select option 1. So that is it. Now let's quickly dial the code and go back again to check something here. Let's dial the code. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Alright, so now that we have done that one too, let's go back to option 3 again, and let's look at something here. This is where you check all your transactions. So let's select 2 and see what is going to happen. Transaction, it represents 2. So let's select that and see what we can do. So we have to enter our PIN code here to see the transactions that we've made. Alright, so let me quickly do that. So when you click on send, this is what you are going to see. So these are the transactions. So I sent 1 CD credit to somebody, 1 CD credit to one guy, 0.07 to somebody, like that. So you just cancel it and dial the code again, *1#. You click on send. Now we are going to do another thing there again. So let's select the option 3 again. When you select the option 3, let's go to 3, change PIN. This place you can change the PIN code that you use for your account, the PIN code that you use when you were creating or when you were registering for this particular portal. So you can change it without any stress and without any problems. So let's select the option 3 and click on send. So when we click on send, a menu must pop up. There should be a new menu. So let's wait for that menu to pop up. As we are waiting for that menu, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. And don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family members. We have videos on mini importation. We have videos on how to become data bundle agent and the rest. So let me quickly read out that code. Then we select the option 3. Then we go back again to the option 3 to change the PIN. Now, if you want to change the PIN, you need to enter your old PIN. Alright, so we are done with that part 2. Let's go back again and do the rest of the things. Then we end this lesson here. Alright, so let's dial the code again. Alright, so now we are going to do the main thing now. Right now that we have done all the settings, now that we are done with all the settings on this portal, let's quickly select option 1. This is the only EVD portal that many people use to buy airtime. So you enter the number that you want to buy the airtime for. So let me enter that number quickly and we take it from there. So 0540620528. So please make sure that when you are doing this thing for somebody, you enter the right number. Okay, because you are going to do it once. Now let's enter the amount that we want to buy for the person. So 0.05. So you click on send. Then you need to enter your PIN. You need to enter a PIN to be able to do this for the person. So you are sending 50 pesos airtime to this number. Reply 1 to confirm or 0 to start again. So just type 1 and click on send. When you do that, you shouldn't have any problem with this. So you have successfully recharged to this person. Alright, so that is it. That is it. So you just need to click on OK. So we have the message here because I bought it for myself. So let's take a look at this. You have received 0.05 Ghana cedis from this number. So that is it. So you see, when you buy airtime, when you buy credit from those vendors at the roadside, this is the same message that you receive. It is always the same message that you receive when you buy this credit from those people outside there, those at the roadside. It is this same message that you receive from them. Now, I have a secret here that I want to reveal to you. Let me go back again and open that particular message. So please, I hope you can see this. Please, I hope you can see this. So this is the same message that you receive when you buy credit from those vendors, the transfer people at the roadside. Now, let me tell you one thing here. I have a secret here that I want to reveal to you. Now, when you dial this code like this, *161*1# like this, we all do business for profit. So you don't have to send the exact 50 pesos to the person. Let's say the person sends 50 pesos to you. You send airtime 40 pesos to the person. Yes, you send airtime 40 pesos to the person. It depends on how you want to price your thing. So let's say the person want to buy 1 CD, you don't sell, or you don't send the 1 CD to the person. You don't send the 1 CD to the person. You send 90 pesos to the person. So please, that is how it works. So now you have to sit down, prepare your own price list so that you will not incur any loss. So this is the shortest and the possible way that you can register as an EVD vendor. Formally, you need to go to the MTN office, you need to pass through some processes, you need to buy a SIM card called the EVD SIM card before you can start something. Even after buying the EVD card or the EVD SIM card, you need to load it again. But this one, with the help of this portal, you can buy credit for people without going to the MTN office. You don't need any office before you do this transfer. You don't have to sit by the roadside before you do this. You can be in your home. You can be at anywhere. You can even be in the bathhouse, even in a White House, wherever you find yourself, and you do this for people and you make profit. So this is the short video that I have for you. If you enjoy this video, if you learned something new from this video, then don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all, because we are going to upload more important and more educative videos onto this channel. It is our aim, it is the aim of the Jufos IT services to make sure that our followers also get something doing, because it is not easy now to be enrolled into the public sector. So you need to have your personal business, you need to have your private businesses that you can do to get some profit, that you can do to have some good standard of living. So until then, I say bye bye. May God bless you. See you in our next lesson.